This is our third lesson and our third final fish before we put it all together. We're making this fish right here. It's a little bit more complicated than the other two, but you get the hang of it because we've been practicing with the origami for a while. And again, use your last piece of square paper. Again, like the previous ones, fold it in half, just like this. And then the bottom part, bring it up, so it'd be like this. So your paper looks like this. And then this bottom part right here, fold it all the way to the middle part, or when it touches this triangle. And the part gets a little tricky somewhat, a little bit, because it's a small little fold. It's this part right here, fold it downward so it sticks out a little bit towards the bottom. So what I did was get from here, I have a crease right here, I just kind of slightly fold it down so it goes over this part, so it looks like this. So our fish, we're going to make the tail, and we're going to use this side right here. Just go ahead and fold this way and fold it down enough so you see it a little bit sticking out. And to complete our fish is the head, and so we're going to use this part of paper and just fold it down this way. So from here it looks like this. So now you see the flat part of the head, you see the one fin, the second fin, and the tail fin. And this is our third piece of origami, so we should have 3 pieces. Our catfish, the smaller or simpler fish that we did the first time, and now this fish. And next time we're going to put all these 3 fish, our 3 pieces of origami, into our underwater scene. And see you next time.